In this video, I'm gonna be showing to you how I do my prospecting on IG. So basically, there are like videos here na magtuturo sa'yo on how to do prospecting, but this is also one way of easily prospecting. Ang daming ways to prospect clients on IG. That's why I really love Instagram. So basically, for example, I'm looking for mindset coaches. So what I usually do is go to Google and I search on famous life coaches or mindset coaches na lang in the US. So basically, Google is gonna show us top, life coaches. Ayan, Tony Robbins, Nicole, ayan. So, let's try to check out, ayan, Tony Robbins. Ayan. So, let's copy and paste. So, it's good kasi, yung mga nag-follow kasi kay Tony Robbins, yun yung mga gustong maging coach or life coach. Kasi, he is a life coach. That means, yung mga followers niya, mga fan niya, okay? 'Di ba? Kasi, hindi naman tayo magpa-follow kung hindi natin gusto yung content nila. So, see, dito pa lang sa comments, ang daming-dami nyo nang makikita na prospect. So, for example, this one. Yan, Debbie Gale Coaching. What else? Soul. Live your true you. Ayan. Hanap pa tayo. Kahit the username itself will already give us a hint kung ano yung nila, ginagawa nila. Okay? So, for example, Fire Intuitive. Let's just check it out. Okay, so ito yung ginagawa ko. I check them out and see if they have a social media manager, and I think she has, or she's good at managing her account kasi she even has patterns. Okay, let's skip her. This one, I don't think she has a social media manager. I don't think so. So, this could be a target client. Ayan. Let's check out her website. Ayan. Let's check if may contact us siya. Ayan, contact me. And then, hindi yan nilagay yung email niya. So, you can contact her through this. Ayan. So, pwede kayong mag-contact sa kanya through this form. Okay? Let's proceed to the next one. So, ilalagay na natin si Debbie Gale Coaching. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Ano yung ginagawa niya? Ay, parang hindi pala siya, coach. Ayan, founder. Ayan. So, as you can see, she has patterns, she has engagement, she has some sort of strategy. Okay, let's skip her. Mabilis naman ako kausap eh. Pag feeling ko mahirap or may na siya, syempre, I just proceed to the next one. Ang daming isda sa dagat. Okay. Ayan, he's not my type. Lalaki siya eh. I wanna work with female coaches. Let's find more here. Ayan. So, hindi lang kayo pwede dito like sa pictures lang. You can also check out the followers. See? You have 6 million leads. Ayan. Ang dami-dami yung leads. So, pwedeng-pwede to. Diba? If you're looking for life coaches. Let's say you want to work with, let's say, or you're in the pet industry. Okay, let's say, top pet shops in the US. So, ayan, no? Sasabihin niyo siguro, ay, best na siya. Very famous na siya. Why does she still need a social media presence? Hindi naman sila yung, natin, target eh. First, not all famous brands already have social media managers. And second, meron tayong gagawin para mahanap natin yung mga, mga kasamahan nila na medyo maliit-liit pa. Okay. So, basically, if you are if you are like a social media manager like you follow people na successful na, right? As a social media manager. Yung clients natin, ganun din sila. They follow those people or shops na successful na. Yung gusto nilang maging, right? For example, you want to be like me. Wow, kapal ng mukha. Just an example. You wanna be like me. So, you follow me on IG. You observe me, what I do, what are my tactics, how I do the job, how I teach, diba? So, ganun lang din si client, yung mga clients natin. Okay, let's go down here and let's check out. See? Let's check out. Who are these people here? Ayan o, mga pet shops na naglalabas. Ay, soups. Sorry. Ayan. And also, after that one, you can check out their accounts and see what kind of hashtags they're using. See? Ayan o, ang dami-daming pwede nyong magamit. Let's say Dogstagram. Ayan. So, usually, yung gumagamit ng Dogstagram, of course, yung mga may mga pets, right? And of course, also those who have or who sell pet accessories. So, pwede kayong mag-prospecting dito. For example, this one, Dog Box Boutique. Ayan. The best thing kasi pag may nakita na kayong isang store na medyo target nyo, you can just click the arrow button and then, as you can see, ayan ang dami nang lalabas. Just go through them all and check them out. That's how you do prospecting. So cute. Yan. Right? This one. Oh, sobrang cute. This one. They're selling treats, right? See? Handmade dog treats, colors, and leads. Ano ba to? I think, ayan. Diba? So, that's how you do prospecting. Okay? So, we have other examples or tutorials on how to prospect on other platforms. And, andun din sa how-to videos natin. So, make sure to check them out if you are still confused. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.